Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to disconnect your Trezor from your computer. First, always ensure your Trezor device is idle and not actively processing any transactions. It's crucial to confirm that no operations are pending or in progress to prevent data corruption. Next, close the Trezor Suite application on your computer. This step ensures that the software isn't trying to communicate with the device, preparing it for a safe removal. Once the software is closed, locate the USB cable connecting your Trezor to the computer. It's important to handle the cable with care. Gently pull the USB cable directly from the Trezor device itself. Avoid twisting or bending the cable during removal, as this can damage the port or the cable over time. A straight, firm pull is usually sufficient for a clean disconnection. After disconnecting, proper storage is key for your Trezor's longevity and security. Always store your device in a secure, private location where it's safe from unauthorized access. Keep it away from extreme temperatures, direct sunlight, and any moisture, which can harm its internal components. Using a protective case is also a smart idea to prevent physical damage from drops or impacts. When you're ready to reconnect your Trezor, always use the original or a high-quality USB cable to ensure a stable connection. Also, make sure your computer's USB port is clean and fully functional to avoid any connectivity issues. A reliable connection is vital for smooth operation and transaction processing. And speaking of reading, if you love to read anywhere, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.